Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have a double unboxing, the second double unboxing in 2 weeks. Very excited. I'm not sure what's in here. I'm pretty sure what's in here. So let's get to it. All right, and flick. I've upgraded my box cutter, as you see. It is a Kershaw dividend knife. This is not going to turn into a knife channel, I promise you. Although I have some friends in the watch community who are into knives, and but the old adage, you go to a barbershop enough times, you'll get a haircut, and so who knows? But I'll probably just keep it to watches here, guys. Okie dokie. Let's see what we got here. Ah, Borealis. Okay, cool. I've been waiting for this watch. And let's check it out. All right. Orange dial Borealis. This looks pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, it's the first time with a Borealis in the channel. So I'm excited to review it. Let's throw it on wrist real quick, see if it fits off out of the gate. Yeah, it does. Great. Awesome. Awesome looking watch. So stay tuned for an a review video on that. And then I think we're going to have, this was not planned, but a double orange dial surprise. Because I think this is a watch that I purchased recently off of a Random Rob Sunday Fun Day sale. Let's get it. Oh yeah, here it is, baby. Now, I had a Seiko Monster 3rd Gen last year in the blue coral, and I sold it, and I sort of regret it. But now I got my hands on another monster. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Another an orange dial second. I think this is the 2nd gen monster. Oh boy, that is awesome. Let's get these two right next to each other. This was not planned, but a double orange dial unboxing video. Sweet. Let's see here. Let's see how this is sized. I had my previous monster on the strap code Super Engineer and I loved it. Oh yeah. I think that diver's extension is out, so I'll have to tighten that up. But very cool, man. Very cool. Okay, guys. Well, double orange dial unboxing. Holy mackerel. I think that's what I'm going to have to title this unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for reviews on these watches soon.